Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe and fit at your home. This is Ms. Gunjan Daswani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota, and I welcome you all to your revision class of English text. So today we are going to do the revision of your chapter 12 of your English textbook, that is your Gulmohar reader. We are going to revise chapter 12, A Christmas Carol, which is given on page number 121. So you can open your books to page number 121. So basically this story is all about a person named Ebenezer Scrooge. So he was a very unfriendly, he was a kind of a very unfriendly person who does not like to talk with people. Okay, and he was a miser too. That means he was a, I can say, what is a miser? Who is a miser? Miser को हम हिंदी में कहते हैं कंजूस. A person who loves money but hates spending it. Okay. So now there is an incident which had happened with him on one night, and that has changed his life completely. What was that incident? What has happened to him that night? Let's see. So scene 1 is described to us. Ebenezer Scrooge is an unfriendly miser who runs a counting office. Now what happened, as I told you that Ebenezer Scrooge is an unfriendly miser. He keeps himself aloof. ठीक है, वो अपने तक ही रहता था, अपने तक ही वो रहता था, ना ज़्यादा किसी से बात करता था. Okay, and he was, I said that he loves money but he hates spending it. That is the meaning of miser, right? Who used to run a counting office. What is a counting office? Where you keep the accounts of business. Okay. So one night the spirit of his friend Jacob Marley visits him and tells him that he will be visited by 3 spirits. Now what happened? One night while he was sleeping, as it was Christmas Eve, and everyone was happy except him, except Scrooge. Everyone was happy and he does not want to share the joy of Christmas with anyone. As I said that he does not like to talk with people much. That's why. So Jacob, while he was sleeping, the spirit of his friend, his dead friend, that was Jacob Marley, he visits him and he advises him to be kind to the poor and the needy, especially at this time of the year. That was because it was Christmas. That's why. And tells him that he will be visited by 3 spirits. He also told him, he added that he will be visited by 3 spirits, and he was still having time to change his miserly ways. Okay. So when the clock strikes 1, the ghost of Christmas past appears. Now what happened? As his friend told him that he will be visited by 3 spirits. So when the clock strikes 1, when it was 1 o'clock in the night, then what happened? The ghost of Christmas past appears in front of him. The first ghost appears. Now what does that first ghost showed him? So scene 2 is said to us. The ghost made him see the happenings of the past. Soon the first ghost leaves and he was visited by the ghost of Christmas present. He takes him to his nephew Fred's house. Now what happened? The ghost, that was the ghost of Christmas past, he made him see the things that had happened with him in the past, and he made him see that how kind were the people with him while he was in need of help. Okay, while in his hard times, how people have helped him. So he started realizing his mistake, and soon the first ghost leaves and he was visited by the another ghost, that was the ghost of Christmas present. Now the ghost of Christmas present takes him to his nephew Fred's house. Who was his nephew? That was Fred. So he went to that ghost of Christmas present takes him to his nephew's house, and when they went there, they saw that Fred and his family were enjoying among themselves, and they were having a very good time with each other. Okay, and they were also praying for Scrooge's good health. Scrooge की good health के लिए वो लोग pray कर रहे थे. So seeing this, what happened? He felt very guilty because he was very rude to his nephew, as he has invited him for the Christmas Eve's dinner, and he has refused to his invitation. उसने इसके invitation को क्या कर दिया था? Refuse कर दिया था. Now seeing this, he felt very guilty, and the second ghost left. Now what happened? Scene 3, then the ghost of Christmas yet to come appears. Now the third ghost appears, okay, and he made him saw a funeral procession of a person who was not missed by anyone. Now what happened? When the ghost of Christmas yet to come appears in front of him, so he said that he just said to him that you are the ghost of Christmas yet to come and you are here to show me that I am what? I am changed, right? But now he didn't said anything, he didn't reply to him, and instead what he did, he just pointed out his finger towards a direction, and he showed him that there was a funeral procession of a person was going on over there. So and he heard the conversation between the people, between the group of people. They were talking about a person who was dead and who was not really missed by anyone. Okay, so now what happened? This person that was now soon he realized that the person who is dead, he himself, that is Scrooge himself. So soon he started realizing his mistake, and he said, he pleaded in front of the ghost to give him another chance to change himself, because he had realized if he will not be good to others, the other people will, his end will also be alone, and he will live alone and unhappy. So in order to change, if he will change, his end will also change. Okay, so he started realizing his mistake, and he pleaded in front of the ghost to give him another chance to change himself. Okay, to make amends for all the wrongdoings he had done in the past. Okay, now after that thing, he was given a second chance, and he was now a changed man. As you can see, Scrooge is a changed man now, and he doesn't even care when others laugh to see such a difference in him. Okay, so this is the chapter. Now we are going to see the internal questions of this chapter. Now we are going to see the internal questions. The first internal question is given on page number 127. Okay, what kind of a man was Ebenezer Scrooge? So Ebenezer Scrooge, as I told you, that he was an unfriendly miser. Okay, so the answer to this question is an unfriendly miser. Question second, what was the name of Scrooge's friend? Okay, what was the name of Scrooge's friend who had visited him? That was, this question is also on page number 127. You have to mark this question on page number 127. Okay, and the answer to this question is Jacob Marley. Question 3, how many spirits will visit Scrooge? So this question is, you have to write on page number 128. Okay, and the answer to this question is 3 spirits. As you can see, Jacob Marley told him that he will be visited by 3 spirits, right? Now the copywork, we have already seen the new words: aloof, second is astonished, third is frightened, kindness, saddened, recognizes, conversation, vanishes, amends, preparations. So these are the new words. Okay. Now let's see the word meanings. First is miser. As I told you, in Hindi it is called a conjure, right? A person who loves money and hates spending it. Second is dearer, when something is more important, something is important for you. So like more important or valuable. Okay, so the word that you will use for more important, when you consider something more important or valuable, then the word you will use is dearer. Third is shaky, shaking because of fear. When you are afraid of something and you are shaking and shivering, that it means is shaky. Okay, fourth is wreath. Wreath is what? A circle of flowers or leaves worn on the head. That means it's a kind of a tiara. That as you all have seen a tiara, it's a circle of flowers that or leaves which is worn on the head. Fifth is honor. Do something that shows great respect. Okay, when you do something that is showing respect, that is showing a great respect to someone, that is the meaning of word honor. Okay. Now let's see the question and answers. Answer the following questions. Question 1, who visits Ebenezer Scrooge on the night before Christmas? What does he tell Scrooge? So who had visited him on the night before Christmas? That was he was visited by his friend Jacob Marley. The spirit of Scrooge's friend Jacob Marley visits him. He tells Scrooge that he still has time to change his miserly ways and to be kind to the poor and the needy. So he told him, he advised him that he was still having time to change his miserly ways, that he told him that there are more important things in life than making money, okay, and to be kind to the poor and the needy. Question second, what does the first ghost show Scrooge? Okay, what does the first ghost, that was the ghost of Christmas past, showed Scrooge? So the first ghost takes Scrooge through the happenings of the past. He showed him the happenings of the past, whatever things that had happened with him in the past. Like there were people, he showed him how the people helped him in his hard times. Okay. Question 3. What does the ghost of Christmas present show Scrooge? Now what was being shown to Scrooge by ghost of Christmas present? So the ghost of Christmas present shows him how Scrooge's nephew is happy and prays for him even though he has treated him badly. So the ghost of Christmas present takes him to his nephew's house where they were praying for his good health. Okay, even though he had treated him very badly, he had behaved with him very rudely, then too they were praying for his good health. Question 4. What does Scrooge beg to the ghost of Christmas yet to come? Okay, why was he, what does he plead for? What was he pleading for in front of the ghost of Christmas yet to come? So Scrooge begs to the ghost of Christmas yet to come to give him another chance to change himself. So he wanted another chance to reform, to change himself. Okay. Question 5. Why does Scrooge say, "It's still Christmas, I am saved"? Okay, why was this line being said by Scrooge? Because he believed that that Christmas was over and that he would not be able to change himself and his future. Soon he realized that he still had time to reform. Okay, so now he was believing that Christmas was now over and he will not get another chance to change himself, to make amends for all the wrongdoings that he had done in the past. Soon he realized that he was still having time to change. Okay. Question 6. How do we know that Scrooge is a changed man in the end? Okay. So the answer to this question is, Scrooge is happy and is determined to make amends for all his wrongdoings in the past. He does not even mind when others laugh to see such a change in him. So he was very happy and he was very determined to what he was doing, to make amends, to correct the things that he had done in the past. Okay, and he does not even care, does not even mind when others laugh at him to see such a difference in his behavior. Now reference to context, then a strange thing happens. Okay, so this context is being taken from your chapter. So what is being referred to here? What are we talking about? The appearance of the spirit of Jacob Marley in Scrooge's house. So there was a spirit who has appeared in front of him, that was his friend, the spirit of his friend, that was Jacob Marley. Okay, so that is the strange thing that has happened there. So who saw the spirit? Who has seen that spirit? That was Ebenezer Scrooge. Ebenezer Scrooge saw the spirit. See is, why had the spirit come? Now why had Jacob Marley come over there? The spirit had come to warn and advise Scrooge to become a good man and tell him that there were better things in life than making money. So he advised him to be kind to others, and he advised him to change his ways of living, and he wanted him to be good to the people, and he also wanted to tell him that there are more important things in life than making money. Now make sentences. First is honor. We have already seen that is what was the meaning of honor, that is do something that shows great respect. Rahul must choose between honor and death. Second is appears, that means looked. So Tom appears nervous, that means Tom looks nervous. Third is astonished, when you are surprised or shocked. Okay, so Radha was astonished at the news. After hearing the news, she was very astonished, or I can say she was very surprised or shocked. Okay, so now this was the copywork and the internal questions. I hope you have understood it well. Revise it thoroughly. Stay fit, stay at your home. Thank you.